Good morning, internet. So today is day one here at Udupi, and the final day as well, because it is just a one-day trip. I am just doing a one-day trip. So right now I am going to St. Mary's Island, a very famous place here, which I also wanted to see because it is a geological site, and obviously you get to ride a ferry, right? So I wanted to go there. It is 9 o'clock already. I started from my hotel at around 8:45. So from my hotel, this place is around 12 kilometers, but the roads which connect from my hotel to the beach are pretty awesome. And obviously when you come closer to the beach, the roads get narrow. The condition of the roads are okay, and the traffic right now is pretty decent. Not too high, neither too low, but yeah, the traffic keeps moving, right? So you need not stop at a certain place. With that, I'll see you guys on the beach. So right now I am at St. Mary's Island, which is around half an hour away from Malpe Beach. So from Malpe Beach you can take a ferry or a boat, and it takes around half an hour to reach here. I am speaking directly into the GoPro's mic. I am not very sure how the audio is getting recorded. Apart from that, when you come to St. Mary's Island, you have to pay up for your camera. So if you have an action camera or any other cameras, so you have to pay around 200 rupees for that. And if you have any bags or any luggage with you, so the storekeeping charge for that is 20 rupees, sorry. So it is pretty hot out here. Obviously we are near the coast. We are actually on the beach, so it is pretty hot, but the view is completely compensating for that. I found a quick seat to myself as well. I am sitting somewhere here. It is a bit on the shade, so I am sitting here as well. Now that is all I can say for the moment. There are other places also which I would like to visit today, but let's see how far I can cover, and tomorrow morning I'll be leaving back for Bangalore. So this is the view which I am actually seeing right now. and I have had my lunch. I had my lunch at Hotel Mahalakshmi, which is very close to the Malpe Sea Walk. Excellent food, to be honest. I had the traditional Konkan food here, which consists of mostly seafood. So if anybody coming to Udupi, please do give this hotel a try. Hotel Mahalakshmi, which is very close to the Malpe Sea Walk. Now I'll be heading back to my hotel, as tomorrow I have to leave for Bangalore. So I'll go start getting ready for the ride, because it is again a 436 kilometers ride. But again, I'd say if you come to Udupi, please do give a visit to Hotel Mahalakshmi. The food is awesome here. The food is brilliant. I had the ghee roast, which is very famous in the Udupi, Mangalore, Gokarna stretch, the coastal Karnataka stretch, to be honest. Please do give it a try. You will not regret having food here. And also, the food is not really very expensive. It is highly reasonable. It is quite hot here right now. The temperature must be around 30-33 if I'm not wrong. I did not check what the temperature exactly is, but yeah, it is pretty hot. So if you are coming to Udupi during winters, I believe you need not bring a sweater. Thank you, Udupi. Until next time. Obviously, coastal areas, I love going to the beach, I love the coastal areas, right? But this place is kind of different, because I have been to Kerala, I have been to Rameshwaram, Pondicherry, Kanyakumari, but this place feels a bit different for some reason. I don't know why. There's a lot of trees and stuff as well. Generally, if you go to coastal areas, you only find coconut trees, maybe. This place a little bit different. You can simply split the traffic and move. with this, I am closing today's day. I visited the St. Mary's Island, for which I actually came to Udupi, and it was really very beautiful. I also went to the Malpe Sea Walk, so it is around half a kilometer of distance where you actually walk on a path, and both the sides are actually covered by the Arabian Ocean. It is pretty beautiful. If you guys do visit, definitely if you guys come to Udupi, do visit these places. And the next thing is that I had the local cuisine of Udupi at Hotel Mahalakshmi. A friend of mine actually suggested to have food there once at least, and to be very honest, I was not disappointed. The food was of great quality, the taste was on point, and obviously, you know, the seafood was fresh, very fresh. So if you guys do visit Udupi, visit the hotel once, have food there, and then I guess you will also believe what I just said. So with this, I am closing today's vlog. See you in another vlog around. Until next time, cheers.